Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video we are making mango ice cream, and this also doesn't require any ice cream maker. It is also so nice, smooth, creamy, silky, delicious, and not too sweet. So let's show you guys this mango ice cream. Here we have a total of 2 mangoes. So this is 1.5 mangoes that we've just cut, and this will be blended. And this has been finely diced into just small pieces because we'll use it later on. 100 grams of sweetened condensed milk, 1 cup of whipping cream that we've just put in the freezer before because we need it very cold, 1/4 cup of milk, and here we have 20 grams of milk powder. If you like sweetness, you can add about 2 tablespoons of powdered sugar, but I think that what we have here is about enough sugar for us, so we're not going to be adding any more. So our first step is to make a mango puree. So in a blender, we're adding in the big pieces of mango. We add the mango as well as the milk, and we're going to blend it until it becomes a puree. So we're going to set the mango puree aside, and in a bowl, make sure it's dry, we're going to whip the cream. So we're going to whip this cream until we get stiff peaks. So it looks about done. As you can see, there are stiff peaks. So now we're going to add to the whipped cream the milk powder. As well as the sweetened condensed milk, and we're going to mix it really well. And now we're going to mix it until they incorporate together. So we've mixed it all together, and as you can see, it is nice and thick right now. So now we're going to add the mango puree, and we're going to mix it a little bit. Now, if you want that really dark yellow color you get in ice cream, you can add the food coloring right now. But we don't want to add any food coloring, so we're just going to mix it right now. So this is what it looks like. As you can see, nice, smooth, and creamy. So now we're going to add the diced mango, and we're doing this just for some texture. If you don't really like it, then you can blend both the mangoes together. So we're just going to add this, mix it with the spatula, and we'll move to the next step. So now you take a clean Tupperware, and if you want to turn your ice cream into a cake just like we did with the walnut one, that's totally fine. We just want to have the ice cream scoops in this one, so we're just going to pour it into the Tupperware. So we've poured it, and we try to just level it out to make sure it's even. So now we're just going to lock it. And if you don't have a lock in your Tupperware, you can cover it using plastic wrap. And we're just going to freeze it overnight. So 12 hours later, this is what it looks like. We've scooped them out, and as you can see the mango pieces here. The color looks really nice, and I can't wait to try it. So as you can see, it cuts easily, so it's not really a chunk of ice. It's super smooth and creamy. The taste is it's amazing because it's the perfect amount of sweetness, so it's not too overly sweet. You get that natural taste of mango, and of course you have those mango pieces over there for some texture. It's so smooth and silky and creamy, absolutely delicious. Highly recommend trying it. So this concludes today's video. I hope that you guys enjoyed watching it, and if you like this kind of content, please like, share, subscribe, comment down below, and follow me on Instagram, Facebook, TikTok, and Discord so you guys can support me to make further content. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.